Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to install, uninstall and open Telnet on Windows 10 machine. So first we will start with control panel and after that I will use command prompt. So let me begin with control panel. How to install Telnet on Windows 10 using control panel. For that click on this one start button and type control, then click on this one control panel app entry, then click on programs, click on turn Windows features on or off. Here scroll down and check this option Telnet client, click OK. This will take a few seconds and install Telnet on your Windows 10 machine. So, and if you want to uninstall Telnet from your PC, then click on this one start button and type here control or control panel app, and then click on this one control panel to open it. Then click on this one programs, then click on turn Windows features on or off, then scroll down and uncheck this one option Telnet client, click on the OK button. This will remove Telnet from your Windows 10 machine. And if you want to install Telnet through command prompt, then click on this one start button and type here cmd, right click on command prompt app entry and select run as administrator, then copy and paste this one command from this video description. Then tap enter on the keyboard. This will also install Telnet on your Windows 10 machine. And if you don't know how to use Telnet, then click on this one start button. Here type cmd, then click on this one command prompt entry and here type Telnet and tap enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to Telnet prompt. That's all about this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are waiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.